Yeah, g'day.
G'day.
We're in Tasmania. Well, today we're starting off in an abandoned tunnel on some train tracks that Melon's found on Google. Should be cool. Stop 2 for the day. Couple random waterfalls.
Pretty cute.
More photos, more good. Just a quick little stop off at Batman Bridge. Are you sure it's called Batman Bridge? Sure it's called Batman Bridge? We're just cruising down the road and we found this abandoned house, so we're gonna have a look. See why it's all abandoned. It's pretty smashed up. That's really cool. Man, that house is huge. This property's massive too. I wonder why it was abandoned.
Off to take some photos of the sunset.
You got this. This is our path to freedom. Just came for a little stroll. There's all these bad boys out in the field. There's a whole heap down there.